Good evening student, this is the math workbook of class 7. So student, we are continue chapter 8. In previous video we have done 8.1, now we will start 8.2. So student, this is true false exercise. So you have to read carefully the all statement. If the statement are true, then write T, then statement are wrong, false, then write F. Now start our worksheet. First is 9:12 is equal to 3:4 are equivalent. It is true because then we simplify the 9 upon 2, it is equal to 3:4. It is true. Second question, a ratio is formed when two quantities are not compared by division. So it is false because in ratio form we compare by division method. So it is false. Third is a ratio has no unit. So it is true because ratio have एंड नो एनी यूनिट. रेशियो में हम कोई भी यूनिट नहीं लगाते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, एन इक्वलिटी ऑफ टू रेशियो इज कॉल्ड अ प्रोपोर्शनल. इट इज ट्रू. फिफ्थ, इन अ प्रोपोर्शनल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स इज नॉट इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम. सो इट इज फॉल्स बिकॉज इन प्रोपोर्शनल द फॉर्मूला इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स बोथ आर इक्वल बट इज नॉट इक्वल. सो इट इज फॉल्स. Question number 6, amount is equal to principal minus interest. So it is wrong, false, because amount is equal to principal plus interest. Question number 7, 50% of 120 is 80. So it is false. Student, now you can solve these questions. 15 upon 100 of 120. If it is equal to 80, then it is right because it is not equal to 80. So you find the value of this question. Now question number 8 are same. 120 meter is 25% of 1 kilometer. So it is true. Question number 9, an item costing rupees 500 was sold for rupees 550. Then there is a profit of 20%. It is false. Question number 10, time is equal to P multiply 100 upon SI multiply R. So this is also equal to false because always SI write into numerator. So correct answer is time is equal to SI multiply 100 upon P multiply R. This is false. Now the second question of this worksheet, true false with justification, and we have to write true or false and we have to say the cause of true or false. So first is 2 upon 3 is equal to 66 whole 2 upon 3%. True because 2 upon 3 multiply 100 is equal to 66 upon 66 whole 2 upon 3%. Second is when an improper fraction is converted into percentage, then the answer can also be less than 100. So it is false. The solution of justification of this question is false. Let us consider an improper fraction 6 upon 5. On converting it into percentage, 6 upon 5 multiply 100. So after solving 100 divided by 5, 20, and 20 multiply 6 is equal to 120 percentage, then which is greater than 100. So it is false. Question number 3 is the simple interest on a sum of rupees P for T years and R% per annum is given by. So the formula of simple interest I is equal to TPR means PRT time P means principal, R means rate upon 100. It is true because we case simple interest I is equal to PRT upon 100. Now question number 4, 12% of 120 is 100. False because 12 upon 100 multiply 120 is equal to 14.4%. Question number 5, 0.018 is equivalent to 8%. False because 0.018 multiply 100 is equal to 1.8, not 8%. So it is false. Question number 6, 250 centimeter is 4% of 1 kilometer. So it is also false because 1 kilometer is equal to 1 times 100, 1000 times 100 lakh, 1 lakh centimeter. So 4% of 1 lakh is equal to 4000. So it is false. Question number 7, if a bicycle was bought for rupees 650 and sold for rupees 585, then the percentage of profit is 10. So it is false, because bicycle has sold for rupees 585, which is less than the cost price. So the loss, not profit, is the deal. There is loss, not profit in this deal. It is false. Question number 8. Amount received after depositing 800 for a period of 3 years at the rate of 12% per annum. 896. So the solution of this answer is false, because simple interest is equal to I is equal to P RT upon 100, where P is equal to principal amount 800, R is equal to rate 12%, and T is equal to time 3 year. So interest for 3 year, we put the value in formula P multiply R multiply T upon 100. So the value of PRT we put in this formula 800 multiply 12 multiply 3 is equal to upon 100. So after solving we cancel 800 to 100 8 times. So 8 multiplied 12 multiplied 3 is equal to 288. So the amount received after 3 years, 800 plus 288, 1088. So it is false. So student, our worksheet 8.2 is also done. In next video we will start 8.3. I hope you are doing work in properly at time and continue and revise all the questions for revision and for test. Thank you.